Welcome back guys to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel Junior Mastermind, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for latest updates. Okay, so I'll tell you about Unity Game Engine to develop your own video games. Who has not played video games? I know. Have you ever wondered how a video game is made actually? Yeah, it is made in different game engines and by different coding languages, and that's not easy to make. So, we'll use Unity Game Engine to build our own games. So, to download Unity, so you have to just go there and search for Unity Game Engine download free. Okay, so a link will appear from the official website of Unity, and you can download that easily. So just click on download, and you can download the Unity Hub. From here you can download Unity. It has many options like Plus, Pro and the normal one, from individual, which is student, and which is free. So you can choose one of them. After downloading that, open Unity Hub. After opening that, you will notice it will be like this. Here I am having games that I have created, but you will not see any kind of game there. Just click on new, and you can rename this as you want. You can name it as game 1, and when I click on create, you have to wait for some seconds and it will load your game project. Just after a few seconds, a window will open in that we can edit our game. Unity uses two things: visual scripting, which is bold, and C#. So that is your wish. You want to use C# or visual scripting. I will tell you how to make games with the help of C# script. And even it uses JavaScript also. But I have not done the settings of JavaScript yet. So you can see there is no option for JavaScript. Okay, so this will load like this. Now don't worry, just do with me. A simple thing. Just go ahead and click on game object, 3D object and a cube. Here you go. Your first game object is inserted. So what is this? This is about all the properties of any mesh that you have inserted. And this is a panel where your assets will be there. Assets are some packages that you have imported, like from asset source, or you have imported from any another location. In this, you will have all the components that you have inserted in your scene. And you can see here it is written sample scene because its name is sample scene. You can rename it afterwards. Okay, now you can see I've created a mesh. If I want to edit this mesh, I'll just click on it, and there are three options at the top in the transform component. These things are components, like this is box collider, this is mesh renderer, and cube, like this. So if I want to change its size, I can simply go to the scale option over there and simply change the scale to of it. Like I can change it to 2. Now you can see it's getting bigger. You can see. And what else can I do? I can make my own maps. I can even press R on the keyboard to scale it, like this. You can see. If I want to make it bigger, I can change it from the X, like 9. So you can see the size from the X, it's changed. If I want to make it bigger from Y, means like this, I can do some edits on the Y, like this. You can see. Okay, let's make a simple ground. Okay, but you may be wondering about, like, I have created this ground, but in PUBG or Fortnite like games there is no ground like that. There is a terrain. Okay, so if you want to know how to insert a terrain, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll make videos soon about that topic. Terrain is also very easy. So for that you have to just come here, 3D object and terrain. But a detailed video about terrain will be coming soon. So just you have to comment about that and I'll upload a video. Okay. Now if I press the play button over here, you can see it's like this. Why? Because when the game is loading, it sees about the camera's position, direction and the rotation. So this is a camera. You can click here also for the camera. Like if you are here and you want to go to the camera directly, you can press F on your keyboard and you can directly double click on it. You can see, and here is a small window, camera preview. Here it will tell you how your game will be if you will play it, because every time you play your game the main camera will be loaded. Okay, like I want to I can change it to 9 or something like 6. I think 6 will be better. And then I want to do some rotation of it that it can see here. First I can change it something like this. And then I can change it to like 30 or 15. And from Z I'm just going to change it something like this. And from X. Okay. Now you can see when I'll play the game, you can see it's like this due to the camera position. Okay, so in this video I have told about the very basics of Unity and how to insert a cube in it. But in the further tutorials I'll tell you how to create a terrain, how to make advanced games, how to add different lightnings, how to add textures, how to add materials, how to add trail render and many more things. Because many games are also made in Unity which are really of big size and too much with too much new graphics, like Free Fire, which is also made in Unity. You can see the engine is Unity, and there are also many another engines like Gadot, Unreal Game Engine, and there is one more engine that we are using, which is Unity Game Engine. Okay. So this engine, why I have chosen this engine? The answer is very simple, because this is really very powerful and we can do many things in it. So I have chosen this engine due to these reasons. And this is Gadot Game Engine, Unreal Game Engine and Unity Game Engine. You can download the game engine that you like. But I like Unity Game Engine because I've already told you it's very powerful and we can do many things in it. So thanks a lot. I think I should end the video right now because it would be too long. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. In the further videos, I'll tell you how can you create complex games like Fortnite, PUBG, Free Fire, games like this, or game like Granny, balancing ball, games like this in Unity. Thank you.